total utility refers to sum of utilities derived by the consumer from all units consumed by the consumer. So, total utility is equal to sigma marginal utility. Sigma means total marginal utility of commodities consumed by the consumer. Second concept is marginal utility. Marginal utility means it refers to, instead of sum, we will write marginal utility refers to additional utilities derived by the consumer from additional units of commodity consumed. Total utility and marginal utility, these both are considered as concept of utility. So don't be confused in concept and types. Many students write total utility and marginal utility in answer of types of utility. But total utility and marginal utility is not a part of type of utility, but it is a concept. So now we will understand the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Suppose y-axis, x-axis, total utility and marginal utility denoted on a y-axis, and unit of commodity consumed by consumer is denoted on the x-axis. So at the initial stage, total utility remains equal to marginal utility. This is the first stage where the total utility and marginal utility point we get at initial stage like this. Total utility increases. So the second stage, total utility increases and marginal utility decreases. This is the second stage. So you will come to know that marginal utility is decreasing. At the third stage, total utility is a maximum. So this is the point is called as a point of satiety. Point of satiety. So when total utility is maximum, when total utility is a maximum, marginal utility becomes zero, which is denoted here. This point is the 0 point of marginal utility on the y-axis. After this marginal utility curve intersects the x-axis, and then after the consumption, this utility comes into existence. So the fourth stage, that where the total utility decreases at this stage and marginal utility becomes negative. Okay, so this marginal utility negative, this portion shows the negative marginal utility, and this negative marginal utility is known as disutility. So these are the four stages to explain the relationship between marginal utility and total utility, where this is the total utility curve and this is a marginal utility curve. Okay.